a look at MLK at Research Parkway in Winston-Salem. No cars right now on the roads, but it looks like it's clearing up with that rain trying to get out of the way, and hopefully it'll stay like that for the rest of the day if you're going out shopping and getting in some deals this Black Friday.
Yeah, hopefully you are able to find those good deals on maybe umbrellas and rain jackets.
Hope so.
Looking outside. You can see that rain for sure on those roads. As we've been going over the past couple of hours, the rain has gone from moderate to heavy to just some light showers, but that moderate to heavy rain is still out there. We've gotten some pretty decent rain totals. Some folks have gotten over an inch of rain already, but now you see we're on our lightest and brightest blue for the most part, indicating just that light rain remaining. That heavier rain has moved on near Henderson, just east of Raleigh at this point towards Rocky Mountain, Roanoke Rapids. So as we're heading through the next couple of hours, you'll know that if you're headed towards the coastline, you are running into some of that heavier rain. To the south, we've got some of those showers as well. Anywhere, if you're going from South Carolina to Georgia, if you're going to Alabama, you're dealing with rain, even down to Florida, some showers. If you're traveling west through Tennessee, you'll see some light rain, but nothing too significant. And I think this is the best news. If you're heading north, you're dealing with showers, but the temperature profile is warm enough that I don't foresee much, if any, snow on the way. Maybe flurries in the highest elevations of some of those mountain passes if you're headed towards Pittsburgh. But other than that, the next snow you'll reach will be in far northern New York. So if you're headed up that high, you might end up with some of that snow, but everyone else clear to travel with just some light rain showers for the most part. As we're going through the morning here locally, we've got waves of rain this morning, gusty winds this afternoon with the passage of a cold front. We have nice clear weather throughout the day on your Saturday, and then Sunday, more rain chances develop with the chance for thunderstorms as well. Here's a look at your 12-hour forecast, getting into the mid to low 60s as we head into the afternoon today. Those winds, those gusty winds, courtesy of that cold front moving through, gusting up to 20 miles per hour in the Triad. In the foothills, you can see those rain chances really start to taper off even by late morning, and then into the early afternoon, we'll see them dry up. And in the mountains, winds gusting to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid to low 50s. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. Light rain continues through the next couple of hours. This is 9:30 a.m. on your Friday, so if you're still thinking about getting out to maybe catch some of those deals, we still have some showers out there. But then as we head into the later part of the morning and into the afternoon, we dry out, we clear out. The clouds don't even return until late on Saturday, and then through Sunday, we start off the day with that rain, moderate to heavy at times. And on the back end of this rain, we could have some more organized thunderstorms here. I don't think they'll have the ingredients they need to become severe at this point, but we'll be watching that really closely. Potentially some thunderstorms, maybe some strong ones. That looks like the peak of it at this point. And by the afternoon, we dry out. So if you're waiting until Sunday to travel back home, want to get out every last moment with the family, you should be good as we head through Sunday evening. Heading into your work week next week, I know the first Monday after a holiday can be challenging sometimes, but at least the weather making it feel a little better with temperatures in the mid 40s in the morning, lots of sun during the day, getting to the low 60s in the afternoon.